Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the CEO of Bread Financial. I know, you are probably thinking, who cares about the CEO of Bread Financial? But trust me, this is actually a really interesting topic. Bread Financial is a relatively new company, but it's already making a big impact on the financial industry. And the CEO, Steve Strite, is a key part of that success. So, who is Steve Strite? And what makes him so special? Well, I'm glad you asked. Before we get into that, though, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money. It's a skill that everyone should have, but unfortunately, it's not something that's taught in most schools. That's why I'm so passionate about creating content that helps people learn more about personal finance. And that's why I'm excited to share this video with you today. So, without further ado, let's get started. Who is Steve Strite? Steve Strite is the CEO of Bread Financial. He's been with the company since 2016, and he's played a key role in its growth. Prior to joining Bread Financial, Strite was the CEO of Discover Financial Services. He also served as the CEO of Discover Card and American Express. Strite has a long track record of success in the financial industry. He's a highly respected leader, and he's passionate about helping people achieve their financial goals. What makes Steve Strite so special? There are a number of things that make Steve Strite a special leader. First, he's incredibly intelligent and knowledgeable about the financial industry. He has a deep understanding of how the market works, and he's able to make sound decisions based on that knowledge. Second, Strite is a highly effective communicator. He's able to articulate his vision in a way that inspires others. Third, Strite is a passionate leader. He's truly committed to helping people achieve their financial goals. Fourth, Strite is a humble leader. He's not afraid to admit when he's wrong, and he's always willing to learn from others. Finally, Strite is a positive leader. He's always optimistic about the future, and he's able to motivate others to achieve their goals. What is Bread Financial? Bread Financial is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial products and services. The company was founded in 2016, and it's headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. Bread Financial offers a variety of products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, home equity loans, business loans, banking services. Bread Financial is committed to providing its customers with a positive experience. The company has a strong customer service team, and it offers a variety of resources to help customers manage their finances. Bread Financial is a growing company, and it's poised for continued success. The company has a strong leadership team, and it's committed to innovation. How is Steve Strite leading Bread Financial? Steve Strite is leading Bread Financial with a focus on innovation and customer satisfaction. He's working to make the company's products and services more accessible to customers, and he's committed to providing a positive customer experience. Strite is also working to make Bread Financial a more sustainable company. The company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, and it's working to promote responsible lending practices. What are the challenges facing Bread Financial? Bread Financial faces a number of challenges, including competition from other fintech companies, the risk of fraud, the need to comply with regulatory requirements. Bread Financial is addressing these challenges by investing in innovation, expanding its product offerings, and strengthening its risk management practices. What does the future hold for Bread Financial? The future looks bright for Bread Financial. The company is well positioned to capitalize on the growth of the fintech industry. Bread Financial has a strong leadership team, and it's committed to innovation. The company is also committed to providing its customers with a positive experience. I believe that Bread Financial will continue to be a successful company for many years to come. So, there you have it. The CEO of Bread Financial is Steve Strite. He's a highly respected leader with a long track record of success in the financial industry. Bread Financial is a growing company with a bright future. The company is committed to innovation and customer satisfaction. I believe that Bread Financial will continue to be a successful company for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video about the CEO of Bread Financial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.